What is the name of Krishna's conch? A. Devdutt, B. Panchajanya, C. Poundra, D. Sughosha. The right answer is B. Panchajanya. Mahabharata was earlier known by the name A. Purana, B. Jaya, C. Bhishma Parva, D. Shakuntalam. The right answer is B. Jaya. Gandhari had 100 sons and a daughter. What is the